All right, we are back with another monthly market update. We are in February 2026. Let's dive right in and see what the leading indicators are telling us about the market and where it's headed. First two things we always focus on are supply and demand. So that means how many listings in the past 30 days have hit the market versus how many have come off the market. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna look at is how many homes have hit the market countywide. This includes single family homes, condos, townhouses. How many have hit the market in the last 30 days? 2,707 homes have hit the market in the last 30 days. That number is down 19% the same time last year. So how many homes have come off the market? These are the ones that went in escrow or received an offer worth accepting. 1,649 homes in the last 30 days have come off the market. That number is down only 3% from last year. So what are we seeing? Same thing as kind of I said last month. We're seeing fewer homes come on the market and more coming off than the same time last year. So supply compared to last year has been is down from same 30 days, but roughly the same amount of buyers in the marketplace. So there's a lot of places to find information both nationally and locally. And I've always said, of course, focus on the national news, but really dial in to the local news of what's happening here in San Diego County. And here's a perfect reason. So yesterday, I'm not sure what day you're watching this, but yesterday an article came out by Realtor.com saying that there's two markets in the nation that have officially shifted to what's, quote, a buyer's market. And what they're focusing on is months worth of inventory. And let me explain what that means. So right now in San Diego County, there's 2.1% months worth of inventory. What that means is that if nobody else decided to list their home for sale, just the inventory that we currently have on the market, how long would it take for everything to sell? And right now, San Diego County is at 2.1 months. That's what they mean by months worth of inventory. So what are the markets that Realtor.com is referring to? Well, the top two are Miami and Austin, Texas. Right now, Miami has months worth of inventory of 11.5%. 11.5%. Austin has 10.5%. So there's a big difference between a San Diego market at 2.1% months worth of inventory versus 10, 11, and almost 12% months worth of inventory on other parts of the country. And those marketplaces even have a much lower median price than us. Now we're above 900,000 median price here in the countywide. These guys are under 500,000. So even at what's considered a lower price point that should, you would think, have more marketplace as far as buyers go, they're at a much higher month's worth of inventory. Of that list on Realtor.com, the last one, number 10 on that list, was Atlanta, Georgia, with 7.1 months of inventory at a $375,000 median price. So the reason why I'm giving you this information is just to give you an idea of how well the San Diego market is doing. With the median price of over $900,000, which beats every marketplace on this list, and a month of inventory of 2.1, which smokes all of these guys. That's how far away we are from the bottom number of the 10, I quote, slowest marketplaces in the nation. So this is just one example of a national report that comes out in the media. And I'm sure you probably saw this one, but if you didn't, you've seen thousands of other ones. And this is just an example of, yes, pay attention to the national media, but really dial in to what's happening local here in San Diego County. And lastly, let's talk about pricing. Now, I know you guys love to hear this information. I personally don't, because I know it's a reflection of markets many months ago, but let's just have a little fun. Median price is at $905 right now. Average price is above 1.2 million. Those numbers are up. Both of them are up about 2.5% from the same time last year. And just as San Diego County market can differ from the national markets in different spots across the country, your zip code is probably different than the numbers that I'm giving you right now. So if you'd like hyper-local information based on your zip code, your street, your neighborhood, whatever it is you're looking for, we have it, and I'd be happy to share it for you. Hey, that's all the time I got today. We'll see you next month.